barriers where walls would break. STEM Villanueva!
A most splendid afternoon to all of you. I am Caitlin M. Benados from 11 Villanueva, proudly representing Queen Charlotte of Bridgerton. I am the queen who sees everything in the air, and I am the queen tell all of you, a queen does not beg, she leads.
I am Don Bianca of Great Madrid Villanueva, representing King George of Bridgerton. I am here to remind all of you that a king does not waver, he ensures. Leave me alone, Charlotte.
I will stay, George.
Leave me alone. I command it.
I will stay. I command. You have to tell me that I'm utterly alone from this world.
I am a madman. I am a danger. In my mind, there are different
Do
words.
you love me?
I love you. I have loved you desperately. I cannot breathe when you are not here. I love you, Charlotte. My heart calls your name.